Welcome back. Week 2. What did I learn? Dust collection. The auto touch plate. And keeping your space clean. What does this all mean? Why am I pointing out these things? Okay. This auto touch plate is awesome. It actually allows you to zero in without having to sit there and look back and move it and look back and move it and look back and move it till you get the bit right on the corner. This does the calculation for you. It's awesome. The negative is I'm going to use a screw as an example here so it's a bit larger. Say you've been carving something, you've got wood or plastic on here. When it goes to touch those metal sides, if there's anything stopping the metal of the bit from touching the metal of the side, it's going to not complete that circuit. So it's not going to know that it hit the side wall. So it's going to get an error message. It's going to cause some other problems, and you're going to have to reset the whole thing again, okay? It sucks, right? So, like I have a small toothbrush here. Just before I do my thing, I knock it all off so it'll make a nice clean connection. And I don't have to worry about the auto connect or the circuit not completing. Hold on, my FedEx guy is here. I wonder what goodies I got today. It's probably not even mine. Bet you it's for the wife. Yeah, okay, so anyway, while he's up there, dust collection. Get one of these. It's cheap. The other dust collection systems that you'll see out there, like I think I saw one at Harbor Freight. It's a 1.5 horsepower, and it was still something like $300-400. I forget how much it was, but it was, I think, less than 50 bucks. And I collected probably half of a 5-gallon bucket of wood dust. Yeah, if you wouldn't mind, boss, appreciate it. And excuse, the dogs are probably going to go absolutely ape for a little bit, but that's okay. Hey. Really? Really? You have a good one, boss. Thank you. Hey, hey, hey. Ha, sit. No. Sit. 1 second. Sit. Good boys. Good boys. All right. Ooh. I've got just over a 1-year-old. I've got 2 just over 1-year-old American Staffordshire Terrier mixes. Basically, they're purse pit bulls. Anyway, so the dust collection. Make sure you get something like that. They're cheap. It bolts right onto the top of the thing, and does an amazing job for the price. Okay. You don't want this dust everywhere. For me personally, I'm working on a lot of pressure treated wood, and that dust has who knows what's in it, and I don't want to be breathing it. I don't want my kids breathing it. I don't want my dogs breathing it. You know, I don't want it running off down into the water supply, etc., etc., etc. You know, we got to do our parts to try to keep ourselves protected, and the people we love, and the environment we love around us too. There's my PSA announcement. Yeah. All right. Fonts. I posted a video earlier this week. I'm gonna try to put it up here in this corner. Bada bing. Key. Went over the bit. Went over the dust collection. The fonts. Oh, tools. Tools. I keep all my little wrenches and stuff right here beside it, because I found that I was keeping them on my tool wall over here, which is about 10 feet away, and that was causing me some issues because I would go over there, get the things from the tool wall, come back, and I would forget to do little things that I needed. Sorry, neighbors are driving by. Gotta wait. Yo. Anyway, it is what it is, dude. It's Sunday. Let it be. So keeping your tools over here will keep them all in hand distance, so you're not breaking your concentration and walking away. I know the 10 feet doesn't seem like a lot. I know the 10 feet doesn't add up to a lot, walking back and forth, etc. But when you're trying to get a job done, that concentration break that you take from over there to over here will impact. It impacts me. Maybe you guys aren't so ADD, but me, oh, I'm like a 9 out of 10 on that scale, Hoss. So anyway, all the tools within hand's reach, so I don't have to walk away. I don't have to break the concentration of the job I'm doing. Wrap it up. Anyway, thank you very much, guys, for support, comments, likes, subscribes, everything you've been able to give me in the past 2 weeks. I truly appreciate it, and I can't wait to see where this ride continues to go. So once again, thank you very much. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I hope to see you again soon. Laters. Stop!